This is C4 Ultimate Shred, the most explosive pre-workout and cutting formula. C4 Ultimate Shred takes the legendary energy endurance of C4 Ultimate, which is 300 milligrams of caffeine and 3.2 grams of the clinically studied carnosine beta-alanine, and combines it with the ultimate cutting formula and shred matrix. Now, this blend is powered by clinically studied ingredients that have been specifically selected for their ability to ignite the burn and support your metabolism, enhancing the results of your physique shredding workouts. In addition to Capsamax Cayenne, oligonol, lychee fruit, and green tea extracts, every serving of C4 Ultimate Shred contains the clinically studied Diglofit and Bioperin black pepper extract. C4 Ultimate Shred also provides you with the formula that you need to ignite your workouts to get ripped, chiseled, and that ultimate physique that you're looking to reveal. So if you're looking for an ultimate pre-workout with the ultimate cutting formula to help unveil your ultimate physique, look no further than C4 Ultimate Shred.